Hello and welcome to this tutorial in which I want to tell you how you can make this effect. We have a text, and in the background of this text we do have this video playing, right? Or in the next slide you will see another example. We have a video in the background, and then we have this well, in the foreground, this text moving around. Okay, here we see it again. Okay, now let's start. Here's my empty slide. Let's start by inserting the video. We go to insert image, and then we search here for our image. All right, or maybe this one. So we search for water, and here's our image. Now, if you do not know these videos here in this PowerPoint version, these are videos that go about 10 to 15 seconds, and they are all in one loop. And that's, of course, a big advantage for our purpose here, because so what do I mean with in one loop? This means you do not see well, a cut between the first and the last frame over here. It's one seamless loop, this video. That's quite nice. Okay, now let's assume this is not a video, but this would be a image. So I just take a snapshot here, and I'm going to insert this right here. So then I could go to insert. I can click on my text field, and then I just type my word, increase the size to 200. So okay, now this is now an image, and that's my text. And in this case I could just go to form formatting, or Formformatierung in German. Then we go to combine the forms, and then we could just use the fourth point over here. I don't know what's it called in English. Yeah, but I think you can see it when you hover over it. Okay, and that's it, right? So we just have now the combination of the text and the background image. And if you do the right click here and we go to crop, then we can additionally move our background image around, which is quite nice. We can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, now that's how it would work with images. Okay, now let's go back some steps to our text field over here, and now let's try the same thing for our video, which is here, right? That's our video. Now let's see if this would work here. So again, I'm selecting the background video and our text, and then you see here's no possibility to combine these two things, the video and the text. So we have to be creative and do a little trick. Okay, so the trick is we draw a rectangle in the background in the exact same size as the background, or could be larger as well. Okay, we move it to the back. Then I move my video to the side just for a sec, and then again I select my background rectangle and my text. Then I go to form formatting, combine the forms, and now I choose not the fourth point but the last, subtract. Okay, here subtract, and now you see here that's now like a don't know, like a shape, like a filter. Okay, now I can send my video to the back. Okay, and now you already see that the video is glancing here through our form. So now the last step is to make our form white. So we choose the color white and no border here, and now that's it. Now we could select our image and also make it larger or smaller, like so. Okay, and now if I start the presentation, that's our movie playing in the shape of ocean in this case. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, alright. So now the next example I promised to show you is this one. Okay, we also have a background movie, and then we have this moving transition here. Okay, now first step again is to go to insert, and then we are searching for our image. So let's take this one here. Let's do the download, and here it is. Okay, and then we move out, we go to forms again. We are drawing our background rectangle. We are going to increase the size. Okay, and I do know a little trick. I go to the color and go to the transparency mode, and I increase the transparency so that you can see what I'm doing. And again I change the color to white. Okay, so now that's our background rectangle over here. Okay, now the next step is again we go to insert and to forms and to the rectangle. We choose another rectangle, we rotate it just a little bit like so, and then again we do the combination subtraction. So that's it. Okay, and now let's undo the transparency, and now if I start the presentation, you will see the background video playing. Alright, now you might already know the morph transition here. Okay, so let's see if this works. I can tell you it will not. Okay, so what you normally would do, you would copy paste the slide and then move around the things that you want to move. In this case it's this shape, and then you choose by the transition you choose the morph. Okay, but now what will happen is the rectangle will so now what will happen is the rectangle will move, but the video, the movie, will stop playing. Okay, so now I do the transition. Now see, the movie stops playing, and then it starts only when the morph transition is finished. Okay, now I move back. Again, the movie stops, and yeah, that's bad. That's not what we want. We want to have the movie playing all the time. So that's not the way how we could do this. So the way how we can do this is quite simple. We simply move this form to the left. So we select the form, we go to animation, we go to insert animation, we go to animation path, we go to line, select the option to the left, and that's it. Okay, here we can select the point, the red dot is the end point. Okay, here you can see where it would be, and now we move it just like so. Okay, and now if I do start the presentation, we see here our video in the background, and then I do the transition and our video is still playing. Okay, perfect. And that's basically it. Here I have added some some text, of course, and you can add graphs or other pictures, and then you simply group all these things together, right? So this form, this text, and this is all one group, and then you move all the elements in one group to the left, or wherever you want it to be. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye.